Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Dear students, today, nowadays, we can say you are connected physically to us. From 21st of September 2020, the partial mode of actual classroom teaching have started or has started in the schools. So it is better to come school and receive the guidance or the counseling from your teachers to crack the coming examinations with ease. The JK Bose is well set to conduct your examinations after 15th of November, for which it has issued a notification and that is yet to come. Dear students, 1 month and some days, that about 10 days are enough to prepare yourselves for the coming examinations, as there is 30% reduction in your syllabus and 70% will be asked you in the examinations. You might be psychologically depressed that we were not connected to teachers through physical means, but you are connected to us through digital platform. Something is better than nothing. Notes are available with you. You do concentrate on self studies, manage your time, put extra efforts, do extra hard work, and you can crack these examinations with ease. Dear students, hard work and self study having no substitute at all. When you put extra time, extra efforts, you can do the every barrier. You can cross the every barrier, or you can crack this examination with ease. And you have to build confidence in you have to remain psychologically motivated. You will cross the examination with ease. Dear students, I believe that I am of the opinion that these virtual classes are never substitute for the actual classroom teaching, but due to the pandemic we were connected to you with you through digital mode. So better is to concentrate on self-study and put extra hard work and remain psychologically motivated, that will crack the examination with ease. Dear students of class 12th, subject political science, today we are dealing with one more important topic in our political science, that is PTBT. Dear students, PTBT is abbreviated form of Partial Test Ban Treaty. After the end of Second World War, many attempts were made by UN General Assembly and particularly UN and other countries of the world to stop the armament race in the world. During Second World War, when America dropped two atom bombs on Japan, one at Hiroshima, other at Nagasaki, the nuclear weapon or nuclear weaponry or nuclear technology in the form of weapons finally got exposed in the world. And other countries of the world got stimulus that we should also go for the nuclear race, armament, so that in case of war we can defend ourselves. But this is the menace, or we can say these things bring destruction, never peace, and to prepare weapons and to destroy environment in various spheres is never any prosperity or peace. So when many attempts were made to stop this armament race, and one of such attempt was PTBT, that is the Partial Test Ban Treaty. It's also called the Treaty of 1963. And this treaty uh, was signed in Russia on in 1963. This is also called the Treaty of 1963. This treaty banned the nuclear explosions in outer atmosphere, in atmosphere and underwater. So, except the country can country can make nuclear tests are underground. So the crux or the essence of this treaty was to limit the nuclear weapon race in the world, or to reduce the armament race in the world, or to limit the armament, or to ban armament race in the world. So this treaty is also called the Treaty of 1963. It was signed on 10th September 1963 in Russia, Moscow. It was a treaty to ban tests in outer space, in atmosphere, underwaters, but it also proved way to if the nuclear tests are to be done, that should be done underground. Dear students, so later on this treaty was also called the NPT. NPT, that is Nuclear Ban Test Treaty. And later its offshoot became the CTBT, that is the Comprehensive Treaty Ban Test. This treaty finally came into being or into effect on 10th of October 1963. Remember, this treaty is also called the Treaty of 1963, and it is partial test ban treaty. Remember, its main aim was to limit or to ban the nuclear tests in outer space, in atmosphere, under waters, but it did not ban the tests underground. It was signed in Russia in 1963. The three countries signed it, that is the Russia, United Kingdom, and America. And nowadays, 123 signed it. Parties or countries signed it but never ratified. I am repeating the things for you. After the end of Second World War, particularly UNO, that is United Nations organizations, took many steps to limit the armament race in the world. Because after the end of the Second World War, there was a stimulus, or there was a stimulus to get the armament so that in case of war we will defend ourselves, as America used atom bombs during Second World War, which made unconditional surrender of Japan from the Second World War. In 1963, America, Russia, and United Kingdom signed the Treaty of PTBT, that is Partial Test Ban Treaty, and this treaty banned the nuclear explosions in outer space, in atmosphere, under waters, but it did not ban the nuclear explosion underground. This treaty came into force on 10th of October 1963, and nowadays at the moment 123 signed it but never ratified it. Dear students, this is all about PTBT, that's Partial Test Ban Treaty, and it's also called NPT, the NPTB, that is Nuclear Test Ban Treaty. It's also called Nuclear Test Ban Treaty, and later it is CTBT became its offshoot, that's Comprehensive Treaty Ban Test. Dear students, this is all about the PTBT. After watching this video, if any sort of confusion may strike your mind, you can call me on my number, that's 7006671106, or WhatsApp me on the same number, and when you post your query by any means, within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. Better is to see these things on your available political science reference books, and do concentrate on self-studies, build confidence in you, remain psychologically motivated. You will definitely cross the coming examination with nice percentage of marks. Thanks. Be blessed.